What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and today we are going to be doing a little video real quick. I'm in the process of getting a small lot of Zippo lighters ready to ship back to the Zippo factory repair center. There's a bunch of old ones in here. I went ahead and went online and followed the instructions on how to do this. I got this repair form here, and we're gonna put our information in here: name, address, city, telephone, state, email. This doesn't apply to us. And up here on the right top, we have the repair information, classic windproof lighters. This is more or less what we're gonna be doing and filling out. This is for something else, so really simple, easy form to fill out. I will actually be using a small USPS priority mail flat rate shipping box that'll hold the lighters nicely. I'll pack them in there good, and I'll have tracking, so I'll know exactly where the package is and when it arrives, and we'll see exactly how long it takes them to repair all the Zippos. I'm not going to have them do anything to the hinges. I'm not even going to send the... Well, I shouldn't say that. I don't know what I'm talking about. All I want them to do is fix the hinges, I should say. I'm not going to have them do anything to the inserts, is what I mean. The inserts, obviously, they don't repair inserts anymore, if you didn't know. They just replace them. So if something's wrong with your insert or you want a new one, you really shouldn't even bother sending your old one in, because they'll either throw it away or send it back to you if you request it, if it's got like a sentimental value. So here's a Zippo, good example. It's got a really loose hinge. You can see there all the play. So I'm going to keep that insert. Here's another one, a top line. We're taking that insert out. We'll be keeping that. It's got a lot of play on that one. And that's a really weak hinge. Let's see what else we got here. USS Wisconsin BB64. It's got a loose hinge too, I believe. Yep. I went ahead and went through my boxes of Zippos and just randomly pulled out a few. So this is the ones that's going to be sent in this time. There's another one. This actual cam spring on the insert's busted on that one, so we'll get a new insert for it and just keep the old one. But that one's really bad, so I'll be interested to see. Well, that's don't even have the original pin in it. That's just got a little homemade looking thing in it. So here we got 4 of them so far. We'll have a total of 7. We do have one slim. This is an old light beer. Take the insert out. We'll save it. And you can tell the lid is really loose. Really loose. Wow. We've got 2 more. A vintage badge meter. I think the insert's alright on that one, but we'll go ahead and request for a new one to be put into it. Again, really loose hinge. And the oldest Zippo out of the lot of 7 here is going to be this next one, and I'm really hoping they're going to be able to fix it and not just have to replace it. This is a 1950s Bowman full-size Zippo. You can see the patent number on the bottom there. Possibly. Patent number 2032695, I believe. Anyways, it was an old 3-barrel hinge, but the well, let me get this insert out. It's not even the original insert. It's not even a Zippo insert. It's just stuck it in there. But it is an old 3-barrel hinge, but it's missing the bottom part of the hinge, so I'm very curious to see if they're going to be able to fix that or not. It's still got the little pin in it and everything. It's just the bottom of the hinge that was soldered on in there is missing. So are they going to be able to fix this? I hope they will, because it's in pretty good condition for its age. And if we can get it back in working order and maybe get a correct insert in it, I'd like to try to sell it later on. I've seen similar ones selling for around 100, a little less, so that'll be interesting. We're definitely going to want to check back on that when we get them back in the mail. So that's the lot of 7 Zippos. Take out the inserts. Like I said, not going to include them. They'll go ahead and send us all new ones, which is awesome. So put them away. I'm going to get these all packed up, get this form filled out, and I guess there'll be a part 2 to this video. So if you're wanting to check out what these look like when we get them back, see how good of a repair they did on all the hinges, give me a like, follow, subscribe, I guess, and hit the little bell notification so you'll get notified of my next upload or any other future Zippo videos. I have a huge collection. I just got it out and started looking at them again, so if you want to check them out too, let me know. There it is. Like I said, I'm going to fill this form out, pack these up real good in here, put them in separate small baggies, and drop them off at the post office. Alrighty, thanks for watching the video. If you collect Zippos, got any tips, any tricks, any advice, I guess, drop a comment down below. See anything in here you like, you'd be interested in buying, let me know. Anything's always for sale if the price is right. So thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. We'll see you in another video. We'll get some more Zippos in here. Alrighty. Alright, that's it. We're going to send you all back for repair. See how good they do. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Boom, here it is. Got it all packed up real good. Ended up just putting it in a flat rate box. Still have the tracking number insured too, so that's good. Address I'm sending it to is Zippo Repair Clinic, 1932 Zippo Drive, Bradford, PA 16701. Alright, should take about 3 to 4 weeks to get it back.